How do you say dad in French? The word dad in French is père, père. And it can actually mean dad or father, père. There's a more colloquial word, papa, papa. This also means dad. Mon papa est un bon père. Mon papa est un bon père. My dad is a good father. Son papa les emmenait tous les jours à l'école. Son papa les emmenait tous les jours à l'école. Her dad took them to school every day. Because père is masculine, if you want to say my dad, you say mon père, mon père. So dad in French is père. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME at checkout, you can get a discount.